Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here watching Oma's Taste. Thank you so much for always tuning in. So in today's recipe we are going to make simple appetizer or snacking. This is called zucchini carrot fritters. Very easy to make. So this is the second time I'm preparing it in my house and I made it much this time. So let me show you how I achieved this beautiful and tasty fritter. Here we have 1 onion, 1 carrot and 1 zucchini. I will go ahead and cut them into smaller parts. Make sure you cut the onion so tiny because if your children don't like onion, you won't want them to see that onion in them. So I have already diced the carrot and the onion, and I will be going ahead to cut the zucchini into smaller parts. So here they are, well chopped. So to my clean pan, I will be adding 2 spoons of vegetable oil. I'll pour in the 3 vegetables in there. Stir them very well to combine them. Yes, I am frying on low heat. Please reduce the gas or you keep your eye on it while frying on high heat. So I'll be adding some ingredients to it like seasoning stock, black pepper, paprika and salt. You can add any seasoning of your salt, and I added half a teaspoon of each of them. I'll continue stirring them until the ingredients that I added are well incorporated in them. While it is frying, over here I'll be adding 3 spoons of all-purpose flour. I'll be adding the water little by little. Don't add it once so that you don't have a running dough. I added 3 spoons at first and I started mixing them. Now I'm adding the remaining water. Continue mixing. At this point, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can see that our batter is becoming very beautiful and well mixed. At this point, I will introduce 1 egg and continue stirring to combine well. I added 1 tablespoon of baking powder and vanilla sugar. You can skip it if you want, but if you're making it for the kids, add vanilla sugar, they will like it. I also enjoyed it with that taste of vanilla sugar. Strain it and throw the rest of the stones like ones out. Continue stirring. Now we have our fine batter here, fine and well mixed. Thank you so much for coming back to watch. I really appreciate your love. I so much appreciate it. Thank you so much. Please, if you have not subscribed, please do me well to hit that subscription button. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. For those who are always coming back to watch my video, you are not for granted. Alright, now we are going to mix in our vegetable there. You have to do this for 10 minutes on low heat. Don't overcook it. Let it be crunchy in there. And this is how it sounded. When you are eating it, you'll be hearing the sound of that zucchini in there. It was a very, very, very delicious and nice, fritter. You can make this as an appetizer, or you can make it as a snacking. Sometimes in the evening the children like to snack. Here we call it merienda. So you can also prepare it for merienda or for snacking for them. So I use two methods to do it. Here I'm using my cake pop baking pan to make it so fancy for them. Well, if they just take one of it, they will throw it to their mouth. They really enjoyed it. Remember, it's all about making it very fantastic and very nice looking for the children. So now I'll cover it and come over to my pan. You can also bake it in the oven if you want. To my pan, I have added drop of oil and circulated it in there. Now go ahead and scoop in those mixture. Don't be afraid. Everything is well done. At this point, if you just put it in the pan, it will be there until you move it. So this is how I went ahead and scooped in 4 spoons there. Leave it until the damp part is well cooked or well sticking before you turn it. At this point, I'll be turning it to the other side or flipping it to the other side to cook. Look at how they are very beautiful. You have to give this a try. Vegetables, fruits are so nice during this time, especially summer. Let us introduce it to our kids anywhere they will like it. They won't even know that there is onion in there. They will really enjoy it. So now the popping one is ready. I'm just going to take them out. The up part is not crunchy like the down part, but it's well cooked. It's well cooked. It's very beautiful. Tell me if you are not feeling like taking one. You will enjoy it. Please do give this a try. You will really like it. So I'll go ahead and put in the second one there. Alright, here is the one that I fried. Look at how they are. Looking very yummy. The first time I used 1 zucchini, 1 onion and 1 carrot. But the second time I doubled the ingredients. So you can double the ingredients if you are a big family. And here they are. Very nice, very tasty and very healthy. So please do give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your love. Thank you so much. I hope you stay well. And I will see you in my next video.